Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the auto cutout feature to remove background from people. So this only works if the object in front is a person, not anything else. So select your video here. You can also use the blue screen feature for this, but to easily remove the background, just go to cutout and select auto cutout. And as you can see later, the background will be removed. You can also add these strokes around your cutout as well if you'd like to. You can adjust the size, the opacity, the color, etc, etc. Here I'll just select the same color as his shirt maybe, but a little lighter. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!